Okay. That might have been a little weird, but okay. I'm going to review 2 dolls. My brother's watching Stamp Cat. Oh my gosh. So, I just went to Target and got a toy. Now here's some scissors. And you know, from the 4th of July thing, I got extras for tomorrow. Happy tomorrow, guys. Happy holidays. You know that's holidays, but holidays. So first, when I went to Target, I got the Barbie at Target only $30. 30. Why am I doing 3? 30. And then after that, we went to Chili's and got balloons, but I don't think you want to see a review of balloons. So, here it is. We're going to be opening it. It's when Ken and Barbie finally get married. Finally. And at the back, there's all this different kind of stuff. Pause the video because I am not going to go like blah, 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 blah. This is the one I got right here. Right there. Let's open it! Oh, and I got one more thing. Did you hear that? Sounded like a phone. Just kidding, I edited that in. It's my brother farted when I was doing the Just kidding. What am I doing? Okay, and I got this. Skittles.
Hey, buddy. David.
But wait.
David.
Skittles looks different. Washi in a box. I got another big one of these. I only have 2 of these now that I got her. Hi, Dad. I'm doing a review.
Hello,
sweetheart. I got like almost all of them. I only need 2 more of the carnival set and I'll be ready, and I got the whole set. I bet you're like, wow! You're crazy. So, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, I got in my eye. Let's open this thing up. We just came back from Target, and it's like 10. Did you hear that? Must have been our neighbor. He's our godfather. He's called Uncle Frankie, and he rides motorcycles. Okay, and watch this disappear as I pull it. Do we have to do something in the back? I love it how you can just pull it out and it's so easy like that. I love it! I loves it! Check out Amy Lee's channel. She's the one who made me say I loves it all the time because I can't get it out of my cut your faces off. No. And be careful, Barbie has a wedding ring on. It might fall. Oh no, I think it's like a patch there. Oh no, you have to take it off like this. Oh no, I lost the ring. Oh, Barbie's gonna be so mad at me. So I just take Ken's head. Ken's head. just got married and lost a ring. Hi, Anthony.
Hi.
He's the evil mastermind. He's my baby brother for the David mug.
And the dog.
Oh, here's the ring.
Cool.
As I said, watch out. It's very tiny. It goes like this. And there's a hole in Barbie's hand that you can put it through. Must have been very expensive for Ken. Got Ken out. Iron shoes. Says Ken. Like every other Ken doll. He has plastic hair. Sorry. I might be doing a video about when I get married. Maybe not. He's a bad Ken. He lost his wedding ring. Bad Ken. Bad Ken. That actually moved his head. Yeah, his head moves like this. His hand moves like this. Hello. Hello. How you doing today, mate? Yeah, I might make him British. And all the other people in their family British. And the sister-in-law British. Let's cut off Chelsea.
Yeah.
Chelsea. Yeah. I'm not yet know what they're gonna be named yet. I have to move Barbie out of the way. Never mind, let's get Barbie out because I have to move her to get Chelsea out. Oh, your head, why does it always have to be like attached to stuff? I cut off hair once. It wasn't doing a video, so you can't check that when that happens. You know one thing about Barbie, she must be like a pro or something because it's really hard to go in high heels, I heard. For some reason, she's always in high heels. And also, this was the only one left. They're all sold out right now because I got the last one. And before that happened, right here at the other side, it's like, oh, what happened on this side? No. It was like ripped up a little on the box. Yeah, so it was the only one left, and it was the only one. It was like a little bit ripped up, so that's why I got it. Get this string out of the way. I love using these scissors. That's why I cut the things that you don't have to cut. Oh, so beautiful. All the girls come with flowers. Flowers, flowers, flowers. I know. Whoa, Boo-Boo!
Bless you.
Come on, God. Okay, now let's move Chelsea. Your head has to be stuck. Oh, there goes the iPad again. Stay. Basket. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna do this. What? Gotta go. Gotta go. See in the basket. There's like flowers. She goes like, wow, wow. And I think in AFV, a flower girl was like, wow, and it landed on someone's face. Yeah. She's so beautiful. It's one of my favorite Chelseas. No defense, under 5 Chelseas. Oh, I mean, I love her hair. Oh, this is just too cute. Oh, you're just so adorable. She's so cute. Let's get Stacy out. Look at Stacy looking all cool. Oh, and P.S. the dream house only has one bathroom. I bet you're like, why are you saying that to me? Why does the dream house of Barbie World, oh yeah, there's more toys on it, of Barbie World only have one bathroom? Why are you telling me that? Because this video review thing, All Toy Collector, I watched it, and it was like she had to go to the bathroom. She said, I'll just use the other bathroom. And she's like, we have an other bathroom? Yeah, this is a dream house. It has 36 hot tubs, only one bathroom. Have you seen that video? So yeah, she doesn't have lacing at the bottom of her dress, unfortunately, but Chelsea does. And yeah, it's weird at the back, actually. I don't think I like the back. But she is a really beautiful doll, like the other dolls. She comes with flowers. And two more things that were weird with was these presents. I bet you didn't see them. And the cake. And we're gonna open the cake. This whole entire video, Anthony's been on my back. So I want him to get off. Oh, I just took off the sign. It should be like a Barbie, like married sign. Why is this come off? And yeah, that's that. Let's upload this video. Oh, I bet you guys forgot. It's 10 o'clock. And I have one more toy. Let's really quick open her.